Welcome to Miami Visuals. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Analytics, CRM, and Admin Access. The features that will allow you to better understand the performance of your website and the interaction between your business and your customers, which will be the dashboard and CRM. Let's talk first about the dashboard, located at the upper left part of the window. Click on the dashboard. This helps you better understand your online business. The dashboard has 4 parts: the Overview, Admins, Billing, and Account tab. Here in the Overview tab, you will see the traffic of your website. You can view the hourly and daily traffic and even filter dates by selecting specific time periods. Click here to select starting date and here to select the end date. Then click on Filter. Then on the Popular Pages section, you will know which page on your site is receiving the most visits. We also have the Website Referrer section. This will help you to understand where you are attracting most of your traffic. For example, if they come from sites like Google, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and more. Then we have search queries. This is where search entries of your visitors are shown. You can also filter this to a specific time period that you wanted to see. In the Devices section, you will see if the visitors are viewing your website from a mobile phone or desktop device. And the same with the Browser section. In here, we will know from which browsers our site has been visited. On the Storage and Bandwidth section, you will see your project storage, the bandwidth, and their limits. The bandwidth is where you will see the amount of data your website can transfer to your users in a given amount of time. Next, we have the Administrators tab. Here you can give other members of the team access to your website without the need to modify the password. When you click Add an Admin, you can select what permissions you consider. In this case, we will give access to the blog and the store to the collaborators. Then type in their email. Then click Send Invitation. And if you want to update the permissions of your collaborators, click on the 3 dots and click Update Permission. Click on the permissions you want to give, then click Update. To remove the access of a collaborator from your website, click again on the 3 dots and click Remove Admin. The third tab of the dashboard is the billing information. You can find the billing section here, and in here you can see your current subscription plan, and you can upgrade your plan at any time. From here, the personal information of the payer is controlled. It is important to note that all information, both personal and financial, is kept private, and you are the only one who can access your own information. And finally, the last tab on the dashboard is the Account tab. Here you will see your name and email used. You can also change the language of the builder. You can switch it to Spanish, Portuguese, and many other languages. And in this tab, you can change your account password when you need to. Next, the CRM is located in the Contacts tab. Let's talk about CRM functionality, where you see and manage the interaction and relationship with your customers. Anybody that fills out your forms will land in the CRM. In example, this contact form asks for your leads information, such as name, phone, number, email, and their message. All of the information in here will land in the CRM. And in the CRM, you will see whether your leads came from a booking form, contact form, and such. And in the Contacts tab, you will find 4 sub-internal tabs, which are Contacts, Messages, Booking and Appointments, and Settings. In here, you can receive and review your new contacts and even add new contacts manually by clicking the Add Contact button. If you want to download the information you have from your contact list, click the More button. Then click Export. To upload a list from your computer, click on Import and Delete option to delete a contact. On the left side, we can apply a filter to see only information from certain contacts such as basic members. To add a new group, click on the plus icon. Type in the group name. For example, let's enter VIP members and click Submit. Then we have the Messages tab. Here you will see all the messages from people who have written to you or see the responses from each form on your website. And each time you make a lead, the information will land in this tab. Now we're going to talk about the third sub-tab of the CRM. We have Booking and Appointments. This page can also be accessed by clicking on the Appointments tab on the top menu. Creating a booking appointment is better than generating a lead and much better than obtaining a link, since it is a more direct sales action. The advantage lies in the use of the calendar widget for bookings, giving full attention to the site visitor. In order to offer as much value as possible, answer their questions, and with booking, it's much easier in closing a sale. To create a new booking, click Create New Booking Event. Type an event name, description, location, Or if it is via digital platforms, you can add the link of a call, a video call by Zoom, or just the link of the platform you prefer. Click here to notify the client about the meeting when an appointment is made. Click Next. Here, I can also create my operator and assign operators automatically based on their schedule. To add operators, click the Add an Operator button. Enter operator name, email, description, and image. You can also add a color code to easily see which event is hosted by which operator. And to receive events in your Google Calendar, click Sign in with Google. Click Save to save changes. In the Availability tab, we will find options such as booking type to one-on-one with an operator or by group. The meeting duration, operator availability, meeting availability, setting the timeframes, available between bookings, among many other options. Click Next. If we require additional details about the customer, click on Edit Form Questions. Click on the plus icon to add a new field. Let's select Phone. To make the phone as required field, click on the pencil icon. Click on the required field. Click outside to deselect. Click Save to save changes. Click Next. Finally, we can define a default confirmation message. Type in a message to display on the confirmation screen. In here, you add extra information about the meeting to be displayed with the message header on the booking confirmation screen. Or if you want to send the customer to another page after filling out the form, click on the Custom Page. Click on Select Custom Page bar and select where you want to take the customer to. Then click Select to save and Cancel to exit. Click on Save Changes. The calendar is something that has worked very well with our clients because you get two things, a new lead and a scheduled appointment. Finally, the Settings tab. Here you will see properties available in your CRM properties and define the fields of information that we collect. To create a new field, click on Create Property. In here, you'll add the label of the CRM property, description, field type, and click here if you want to add the property to customer forms. Then click Save Property or Cancel to exit. We can also define a label for each person who registers by creating a tag. With tags, you can manage and segment your contacts better. To create a new tag, click on Create Tag. Enter your new tag. Click Submit. And lastly, we have membership settings. Here you will see other options to help you manage your site members. So this is how you can make the most out of the information on your website, helping you to improve the performance of your business using the Miami Visuals platform. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.